This is the cheat code of cheat codes. Some people will be angry with me for sharing this with you, but I'm going to do it anyway. You see this here, it's one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And you can see this, I earned like $1,000 today. It's on updated 18 minutes ago. Yesterday, $241. It's really low. Last month, $40,000, not bad. Last 30 days, $25,000. Not so good, but hey, not bad at all. Now, look at my account. This is my account summary. I made $5.4 million from this account alone, selling my own digital products. And I made $0.7 million selling other people's products as affiliate. Again, this is only one Warrior Plus account. I'm not showing you my other multiple accounts. I'm not showing my JVZoo account. I'm not showing you my ClickBank account. Together, it will be a lot of money. Now, I'm not here to flex my muscle or show me that how much money I make. I'm about to share everything with you. So at the end of this video, you go away with solid and step-by-step knowledge, complete knowledge on how you can earn money like this and like this on day-to-day basis. So what do? We basically use AI and a big boy method, the method that's used by Facebook and Google. But before that, let me share my story with you. It's a very tiny little story. I'm not going to tell you the rags and riches story like other people, no personal history. I want to say that look at me. I'm a brown guy. I was born in a third world country. And English was never my first language. And I still make hundreds of mistakes when I speak. And probably you're having a hard time understanding what I'm saying. If not, that's my good luck. But anyways, when I started internet, making money on the internet, selling products like my products, other people's products and affiliates, it was really hard for me because of my limitations, But I was able to make money because I was hiring people, expensive people, and paying them a lot of money for doing stuff for me. But as AI, ChatGPT came in, all this problem is solved. I don't really pay any money to anyone right now. AI does the job for me. Now, what do I do? Okay, let's go back to what do I do and how you can make money like us and even more, even better, because maybe you are already in a better position in terms of language and other limitations. Look at this. This is called the big boy method. All right. What is this? This is called a registration page of Facebook. And this is a registration page of Google. Or in other words, this is an opt-in page where they are asking for your email or your contact number so they can contact you, build relationships, sending some juicy emails or updates, etc. Amazon does that. Everyone else does that. Okay. Every platform does that. Every website does that. Why? Because they want to get your email so they can send you email, build relationship. Email and Facebook gives you their access to their platform so you can use them, but we don't have that. So how can we use the same technology and make money like Facebook and Google? No, that's too much, but at least make money like this. The solution is using opt-in page. So that's it. We build opt-in page like this, and we send visitors to this opt-in page offering something interesting. Now I'm going to share what we offer people and how we get people to see our page. But before that, let me show you the price we pay for hosting this kind of page, just an opt-in page. We pay $297 to go high level. It's a big company. They host our funnels, our websites, our opt-in pages. And previously, we used to pay ClickFunnels. A lot of people do that. And even if you use WordPress or any other page builder or anything, they are not free or cheap at all. Now, that's the beginning of the problem. When you get people into your opt-in list or mailing list, into your autoresponder, oh, by the way, this is my Aweber mailing account, and this is the type of leads we generate, email leads we generate. Like in last 30 days, 23,000. It might be a dream for even gurus of gurus. 60,000 leads previous 30 days. Well, this is also kind of big numbers, right? A lot of people can't even think about this kind of number in their craziest dreams, but we are doing it. I can even refresh this page. You want me to do that? Let's refresh this page and show you. We're refreshing this page. Yes. I don't know. You see that or not? We're refreshing this page. Yeah, it's refreshing live. Right. So just to show you the reality. Okay. Now, why this is low? There's a reason for that. Don't worry about it. But 23,000 email subscribers, still amazing. Once people join our mailing list, we send them valuable emails building relationship. Now, again, there's a problem. I don't write emails. I can't. I have limitation in English. If I write, I'll send like hundreds of mistakes. So I use ChatGPT. or I use other AI tools and send them emails like this, automated emails through my autoresponder. And they eventually build a rapport, trust with us, or we build trust and rapport with our audience and email subscribers, and they eventually buy from our affiliate link. That's it. Super simple system. Now you might be asking, where are we getting traffic from? Simple. Social media. We share valuable information, and we ask people to share our content that we create using AI. Now the problem is, first of all, I told you the problem is the price. A lot of money you're spending on funnel building or opt-in page building software. We spent like last month, we spent a Weber receipt. Let me show you a Weber receipt so you'll understand. My goodness, this is $69. Okay, this is one of those. Right, invoice receipt, another one. Right, receipt for invoice. Let me share with you. Is this another one? Oh yeah, can you see that? I hope you can see. $1,208. Wow, that's a lot of money for one autoresponder account. And previously I showed you another account. So we have multiple accounts. We pay a lot of money on autoresponders, but we make a lot of money as well. Can you see that? We just made that money in one day because we're building lists using the big boy method. Now, for you, you don't have to spend all this money to make money like us. And that's why we built AiPlex. So in a moment, I'm going to show you how it works. But before that, so this is the website of AiPlex. And AiPlex gives you lead magnet, funnel, AI emails, high ticket offers, and even free traffic. Everything under one platform. Go through all these features and benefits, these testimonials, the steps you follow to make money, and the money we make using this method. And you can use it for info product, physical product, application, service, consulting, and even selling books. And above all, you can use it for affiliate marketing where you don't have to create your own product. Again, as I was telling you, you need a lead magnet, you need funnel, you need emails, traffic, and tracking. All these under one platform. Here is what AiPlex is capable of. You can create ebooks using AI from inside the application. And then you can build a complete funnel, including the big boy funnel that I told you. You can generate emails using AI. You can integrate your autoresponder. You can run retargeting, and you can share your content with social media accounts from inside the application. You will get detailed analytics, complete video training. Our customer support is one of the best in the industry, and plus 30-day money-back guarantee. And our money-back guarantee is like the simplest and straightforward. If you don't like it, come back and ask for a refund. We will refund every single penny you paid us. Absolutely no question asked. Now, this is the summary of everything you're about to get. All these are on this page. All you need to do is to press the button below this video and get your access, your personal access to start your money journey. Now, here is a fair warning. AiPlex is going to be a part of a high-ticket program that costs $2,000. So we will be removing this from the marketplace after the launch, and it will be only accessible for our high-ticket customers, $2,000 program. Well, that's a big program, but who wants to spend $2,000? Do you? If you do, I welcome you. Don't buy now. Buy with the high-ticket program. Spend $2,000. But if you are serious about saving your time and money and effort and get access to a platform, a complete platform like this, to use the same technology that we use to make money like this and save money like this, then use the button below and get your access right now. The second warning, the price is rising all the time. The price is rising with time, the pricing rising every sale, or both or anyone. We're gonna try different methods to get maximum sales, but price is definitely rising. So the next time, if you don't grab your access now and you come back later and you see a higher price, I will not be able to do anything for you to give you a better price. So grab your access right now. Your investment is guaranteed and completely safe using our money back guarantee. Now here is a quick demo of how the application works. First, you go to the home and there you find the tutorial videos. And this is where you'll find the detailed analytics. First, go to the campaigns And you can choose to create your ebook first, or you can choose to create your funnel first. Just add a name and click submit. Now, step by step, the application will guide you through the process. Add your preferred keywords and choose from where you want to get content. Let's choose AI and click next. Now you can decide how many articles you want to be generated, find a relevant image, and choose how many pages you want to add in your book. Your cover page title, your name, and just in a couple of clicks, you can create your ebook, and you can also add any link, including your affiliate link in the footer. Click generate and your ebook is being created by the AI and your ebook is ready. Look at this, a valuable ebook. Here you will find all the ebooks you have created. Now go to the funnel section and create your funnel. You can choose your opt-in page from tons of done for you templates. You can customize where you put your autoresponder code and your opt-in page is ready. When people subscribe, they will see your ebook and they will be added to your mailing list. Tons of affiliate platforms that you can integrate with your ebook and make money from. And here is where you get traffic from. And this is the place where you get SEO traffic to your opt-in page. And this section is for done for you high ticket product from ClickBank. All you have to do is to add your ClickBank ID right here. You know what I recommend? Go ahead, click the button below this video and grab your AiPlex access. Try it for 30 days. If you need help, let us know. We will add more training. We will share more insights with you if you need. Give it a try. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Our system works and it's pretty much guaranteed. But in case for any crazy reason you don't like it, you don't want it, and maybe, which is almost impossible, you found something better and you don't want this for any crazy reason, no issues. Just let us know within the refund period and we will refund every single penny you paid to us. Oh, by the way, you have absolutely nothing to lose and only to gain from AiPlex. Go ahead, grab it with full confidence, start using it and make money. We will see you on the inside.